Now this illustration deals with the receptacle outlets installed outdoors in accordance with 210.52E. Now notice on the porch there, we could have a receptacle outlet located there. We could have a receptacle outlet, at least one located at the front and the back of the dwelling unit. We could even have a receptacle outlet located out in the post light with GFCI protection. But these receptacles outside that count toward the receptacle at the front and the back of the dwelling unit cannot be over 6 foot 6 inches high to be considered that type of receptacle. And then notice receptacles that are over 6 foot 6 inches shall not be considered to have grade level access, such as Christmas light receptacles and things like that, but they'd still need to be GFCI protected. And then again, for lighting outlets, we'd see figure 11-5 is the figure loop recommends using. Now, this particular figure, 10-16, is giving information for receptacle outlets located outdoors, where they can be located, how high they can be located, and do they need GFCI protection.